Hey guys, welcome to Unboxing a Brand. This is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing a brand new blender company called OYEET. So they reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I can unbox and test out their product for them since they're a brand new company, and I said, sure, why not? So they sent this to me for review. I'm not getting paid for this video. They just sent this to me free of charge. This is the box that the blender comes in, and they just sent it to me like this. So unfortunately, I can't really show you like the pretty blender. It's covered with a shipping label, but here it says keep healthy on the go. So what's cool about their blender is that they have a travel cup that's part of the blender itself. So once you blend it, I think you just swish the lid and then you can take it on the go, which is really cool. All right, so let's take a look. Register to extend your warranty. Visit website OYEET.com. Ooh, okay, and then what is this? Oh my goodness, there's so many booklets in here. GoPower user guide. GoPower, I guess, is the name of this blender. 7 days transformation for beginner. This is so cool. And then 14 days weight loss smoothie plan, plant-based friendly. And then 7 muscle building smoothies for lean mass. This is actually really cool. These are recipe books. I am definitely a beginner because I used to work out a lot when I was younger, but now I don't so much anymore. So let's do this one. 7 days transformation for beginner. 7 ingredients, 7 smoothies, 7 days straight. And there's also a swap guide here. So if for some reason you don't have some of the ingredients, they have other options for you to swap them out with. And they have like a shopping list here. From the looks of the pictures, it definitely looks like they're gearing their bottles and blenders to people on the go and who like to work out. I don't know why they chose me, but okay. Day 1, kale banana smoothie. Day 2, citrus breathe smoothie. Day 3, berries mixed mango smoothie. Day 4, delicious mango banana smoothie. Day 5, berry citrus banana smoothie. Day 6, tropical love smoothie. Day 7, kale berries mixed smoothie. I'm really excited to try this. This is awesome. Okay, sorry. So getting a little sidetracked. Let's take a look at the actual blender. There's a little bit of styrofoam at the top. This looks like, ooh, quality seems, it's like pretty heavy. So this is plastic, but it's covered in this like silicone sleeve. If you drop it or anything and bump against it, it's not gonna really break. Let's take a look at the base. Oh, this is really heavy too. Okay, so let's just take everything out, and there's styrofoam underneath as well. Okay, so that's everything from the box. Let's take a look at this. Oh, okay, cool. So this is the lid for after you blend everything. And then this looks like a brush. A cleaner brush. There's some bristles on top, on the sides that you can clean your machine with. And let's open up the base here. Ooh, look how sleek this looks. I requested for the navy one. I think they were also shipping all the reds. I'm not that big fan of the color red, but I think this navy is a really nice navy. So the base looks like this, and there's like a little, I guess, the power molder, and I guess you just go like that. Ooh. This lid here, I'm guessing, has a blade. Yep, so you gotta be careful with that. There's something on the inside here. Do not fill liquid over max to avoid potential leaking. There are 2 lines here. One says 5 ounce and then one says 10 ounce. I'm pretty impressed by this blender, to be honest with you. When they first reached out to me, I was like a little bit hesitant to try it just because it's a brand new product, and I'm like, oh, I kind of want to see what everyone else thinks first, but I'm kind of glad I said yes. This is really cool. Okay, so let's see how it works. I'm gonna go and wash this. Do not open until blades stop. I'm actually going to be making a smoothie in front of you guys to show you how it works. I mean, basically it's pretty self-explanatory, I think. So if you have a magic bullet, this is a very similar concept. The magic bullet also has like a container, but it's not as big. We actually also have the magic bullet. I tried to make a smoothie a few weeks ago, and it got too full and the container was too small. So I'm glad that this actually comes like a on-the-go lid. I have an extension cord here. I'm gonna plug it in, and then I'm gonna go wash this so that we can blend something together. All right, I washed everything, and I have a banana. I've got some almond milk, as well as a smoothie pack from Kencko. Kencko is a smoothie company, and I also have an unboxing video for them, and I'll link it here if you're interested. But let's get on with trying this out. So I'm gonna read the instructions here. Blend mode, add ingredients, fill chilled or room temperature ingredients into an included vessel without exceeding the 15-ounce line. Okay, so, oh, where's the 15-ounce line? Oh, I see. So 15 ounces, you have to actually look inside. It's printed on the inside, so do not exceed that, okay? Do not blend hot liquids. Triton, 100% BPA free. Keep healthy on the go. Dishwasher safe. Yay. Okay, so let's add the ingredients. I have some bananas here. Let's add the bananas first. And then I'm going to add the smoothie mix. This is the purples bursting with berry. Kencko has dried fruits and veggies and turn it into powder form, so you can just add liquid and make it into a smoothie. Okay, so I'll add this. And then I've got a tiny serving of almond milk. This is unsweetened, so let's add that in. It looks like it's just about at the 10-ounce mark. 2, attach blade. Twist on the extractor blade and tighten by hand to make sure vessel is sealed. Number 3, push. Push assembly down, pressing activator tabs into the activator buttons. All right, so let's do that. Okay, so once you twist a little bit, it'll fall into place. Blend. Extract for no longer than 1 minute. If more extraction is needed, wait 1 minute, then repeat the extraction process in 1 minute intervals up to 3 times as needed. Okay, let's just be safe. I'm going to turn on my stopwatch. Push down, and I'm going to hit the start on my phone. Okay, so I don't have a lot of solids in here, so I'm just going to stop. That was about 15 seconds, and I feel like the smoothie is pretty much blended out. I mean, yeah, that looks pretty good to me. I don't know if I can show you this, but smells good. So maybe we'll just go for another 10 seconds just in case. Maybe I'll shake it up a little bit. Okay. So I noticed that there's actually a little vent on the back of this, and it's like a fan, so it's blowing out the air. Otherwise, there's no other buttons or anything on here. All you have to do is push down. So I really like how easy it is to use this. You now just open this, and then I guess if you're at home, you can just take a straw and drink directly out of it. But since we're doing this on camera, let's try out their on-the-go lid. So I also just washed this. This is the lid, and it just kind of screws on. So let's do that. It's really convenient that you just blend and you just add a lid and take it on the go. That's really cool. There's like a little handle as well. And to open, you just kind of push this and then it pops up. There's a little rubber thing here to make sure it doesn't leak, and this is how you drink out of it. Ooh, so let's try it. That is really good. Wow, I'm really impressed. I gotta tell you, like I said, I was a little bit skeptical at first because you never know, like, some person just reaches out to you on Instagram asking if they can send you something. If you've been following me for a while, I do a lot of unboxings on different subscription boxes and also different brands. And very rarely do I try out like brand new brands. But I'm really glad I said yes to them. This is a really awesome blender, and I'm not getting paid to say this, but I am super happy with this. So if you follow them on Instagram, they say that you can also take this with you on the go. So if you're traveling, when we're allowed to travel again, you can actually pop this into your suitcase and take it with you. You can make your own breakfast smoothies, lunch smoothies, and if you're really into fitness, you know, grab one of these. And like, I'm sure you can add in protein powders instead of like that smoothie powder that I added in. You can pop in some ice cubes. But yeah, this is really cool. I'm so happy I got this. Thank you so much, OYEET, for sending this to me. I think their launch date right now, it's kind of TBD because of, you know, the whole COVID situation, but their website is up, and I think they're actually looking for 100 testers or something like that. That's what the rep told me. If you're interested in that, you can go onto their website and apply, and they might send you one for free as well. But I believe these will be on Amazon later once they launch. Yes, I'll try to keep you guys updated in the comment section below, or maybe on Instagram if they have a launch date ready. Oh, one more thing. So as I was doing some research on them and looking at their website, they also have an attachment that'll be available later on in the year, and it's kind of like a grinder. Instead of like a cup, it's like about half the size of the cup. So it just basically turns this into a food processor. So you can like blend nuts, you can blend like hummus and stuff like that. It's like about this big, I think, and you do the same thing. You fill it up with whatever you want to like blend up or grind up, and you turn it over and you push down and you just kind of blend. That's really cool. I hope that they'll send that to me as well, because I would really be interested in testing that out too. I'm currently 6 months pregnant, so I was thinking maybe we can just use that to make like baby food later on, like baby mush with like bananas and stuff like that. Anywho, okay, so yeah. Very cool. Thank you again, OYEET, for sending this to me. If you guys want to check it out, I'll make sure to leave as much information as I can in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video and unboxing this with me. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. You can subscribe here and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I have new videos up. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!